The US immigration landscape is getting a major shakeup. Immigration and Custom Enforcement (ICE) is seeing an unprecedented flood of applications. 175,000 Americans have reportedly applied to join the agency. Can you imagine? Now, this massive interest comes as ICE ramps up hiring to support their president, Mr. Donald Trump's aggressive deportation plans aimed at cracking down on undocumented immigrants across the country. Tricia McLaughlin, the Department of Homeland Security's Assistant Secretary for Public Affairs, shared the numbers and added some patriotic flair here. It's amazing. Patriots are stepping up. They want to enforce the rule of law and protect our homeland. But you know what? There's more story to this. Applicants are not just motivated by ideology here. ICE is offering a $50,000 bonus for new hires, making it a very tempting opportunity for law enforcement professionals, ex-military personnel, and even civilians that are looking to start a federal career. Now, experts here say that this hiring spree is historic. Not only does it show the popularity of federal law enforcement jobs, but it also signals that Trump's administration is very serious about expanding ICE's manpower to execute mass deportation more efficiently. Now, with such numbers, ICE could potentially become one of the largest federal agencies in recent histories, given its unprecedented power in enforcing immigration laws. Now, here's the surge. It also raises a lot of questions about training, oversight, and human rights concern. Now, critics warn that such a rapid scale-up could lead to mistakes, maybe abuse or mismanagement, specifically as ICE agents are tasked with sensitive enforcement actions, raids, and deportations. In the meantime, the agency is promising rigorous background checks, training programs, and mentorships just to ensure that new officers act professionally and lawfully. The entire world is watching as hundreds of thousands of Americans line up for a chance to just join ICE, all under the shadow of Trump's controversial immigration crackdown. The stakes are high, the incentives are massive, and the consequences could reshape the US immigration policy for years to come.